In this guide, I'm going to show you how to use Peek a Peek on Snapchat Plus. Intro. Peek a Peek lets you see when a friend is peeking into a one-on-one or group chat without fully opening the conversation. Essentially, this is like if they're half swiping, for example. Essentially, you just need to make sure that you have an active Snapchat Plus subscription, and you could just open up your account and you'll see Snapchat Plus on here as well. And essentially, as long as you have that, all you need to do is just be on the chat screen right here and essentially just look for the eyes emoji. Essentially, if someone half swipes you, they're going to have some eye emojis on your chat feed. And if you already have the conversation open while they're peeking, their Bitmoji will appear along the side of the screen instead. Like if I open this up, kind of like where this is and where this guy said bro has no life, that's where you'll see him like peeking. It's actually as simple as that. Now, Snapchat will not give you a history of previous peaks, so if you miss the indicator when it happens, you won't be able to check later, but that is how you could see it when it is happening. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.